Both firefighters start between second and third rungs. Command is given prepare to beam ladder, prepare to shoulder ladder, shoulder ladder. The command is then given to move out. The firefighter in butt position calls an all clear, ladder coming through, checking for overhead obstructions. As they approach the building they'll be laddering, the command is given to prepare to stop, prepare to raise ladder, raise ladder. Firefighter in butt position places his foot on the bottom beam, while firefighter in halyard position hand over hand walks the ladder up to a vertical position on the beam. Once the ladder is vertical, the ladder will then need to be pivoted into position. The firefighter in butt position gives the command, prepare to pivot ladder, and the ladder is then pivoted into a climbing position. Once the ladder is brought into position, the firefighter in butt position gives the command, prepare to lower ladder, lower ladder. The firefighter in tip position places his foot in the center of the bottom rung, hands to a shoulder height rung, and then lowers the ladder into the building, calling out the distance in feet. When stepping out the ladder, the firefighters mirror each other, hands second and fifth, looking down and looking up, they step out the ladder. Firefighter in butt position then gives the command, prepare to remove ladder from building. Firefighter in tip position places his foot in the center of the bottom rung, hands to a shoulder height rung, and removes the ladder. The ladder is then pivoted back into a position to where it can be lowered. The command is then given, prepare to lower ladder. Firefighter in tip position calls an all clear, ladder coming down. Firefighter in butt position places his foot on the bottom beam and calls out a second rung coming, second rung. The firefighter in tip then places the ladder to his shoulder, to his chest, and brings the ladder straight down onto its beam, awaiting his next command. Once the ladder is down onto its beam, the firefighter in butt position restates the ladder raise. The ladder is then shouldered once again and brought back to the starting point. Once the firefighters arrived at the location in which the ladder will be grounded, the command is given, prepare to ground ladder, and in one fluid motion the ladder is taken to the ground.